Alright guys, it's me again. We are kicking off the trip to Utah, the one I've been talking about in my past few videos. I'm currently at the airport, about 4:30 in the morning, December 4th. So, I'm going to go in here and get all my bags checked. As you can see, I've got a lot of them. So, let me get this over with, and I'll probably update you when I land or when I'm at a connection. We are leaving Colorado. I've just arrived at Grand Junction Airport a little while ago and dropped by the Safeway to buy some groceries and supplies for the couple of nights I'm going to be camping. So now I'm just headed west. I'm really looking forward to this week. We've had a couple of setbacks so far. Luckily, they didn't lose my luggage this time, so I have all of my equipment. So it'll be a nice week. I'm a little worried about how much food I'll have. I bought 2 or 3 packs of chicken thighs. I got some rice cakes, some fruit, bananas, and I bought a little disposable cooler with some ice and whatnot. So I think we're going to be okay. In a worst case, if I run out of food, I'll just go back into town. But I really don't want to have to do that if I can't, if I can help it. But yeah, guys, this is what I'm doing. I'm driving there. I'll be there in 45 minutes or so. I'm probably going to hit Scenic Route 128, and we'll start our drone videos there going into Moab, Utah. And if I have the light, I'll get as much as possible if I have enough light. But I'll keep you guys updated. For now, I'm going to be driving. Alright guys, we are heading to the campsite. I've got to be very careful because it's not paved. As you can see, we're going in. Gotta be very careful. I mean, there's no big rocks or anything, but I'm in a Mazda, so we're headed there. We'll be there very shortly, in just a few minutes. So, all right, guys, I'll update you when I make it there. Well, I've got everything fixed up and set up in my tent. Whew, now I'm just sitting by the fire, just watching it really. I'm watching the guy across on the other side of the field. He's camping too. Just thinking about things, you know. You get out here by yourself and you have a lot of time to think. I'm just really thinking about, I don't know. Thinking about a lot. Thinking about my family. Thinking about coming out here doing this. I wonder if I'm going to enjoy it as much as I thought I would. And I am so far. I'm just ready for tomorrow. Ready for it to be light again so I can actually see things and take video and see Utah. I haven't eaten today, so maybe like some cookies on the plane and then like a coffee. But I really need to cook some chicken. I think I might here in just a second. I'm gonna try it anyway. I don't want to though. I just kind of want to just go to bed. Like, I don't think it would be too much work. But I don't know. I'm just over today. I'm kind of tired. Just, you know, all the travel. But if I cook that chicken, I'll get a video of it, and if not, I'll just wait for this fire to go out and go to bed after this fire is lower, so I don't have to worry about it catching anything on fire. So, alright guys, I'm gonna just chill out here for a little while, and I'll see you soon. Alright guys, so I've decided to toughen up and suck it up and try to cook these chickens. Right now I've just got them in a pan, a little tin, and I'm trying to move them. I'm trying to move them to a good spot on the fire so I don't have to like burn them, and I can still cook them at the same time. And I don't really know. I'll figure that part out, but I'm really just trying to like get them in a good spot. But I'll update you guys whenever they're cooked. Alright guys, so this is working. I am just watching the chicken cook. Every once in a while I need to see if I can flip it because it's starting to stick. Ooh, and if you don't watch, you'll get popped. I'll just let those coals stay in there. But I'll update you guys again when they're fully cooked. Alright guys, finally our chicken is coming along, and it looks not gourmet, but it's cooked, and I'm going to eat it with maybe a rice cake or two. We'll see. But anyway, I'm gonna pull these off and start eating. I just ate a few of those chicken thighs, and I put the rest in the vehicle for leftovers. They won't get bad because it'll be so cold tonight. But the fire's almost out, so I think it's about time to call it. You can barely see my face. And if you can see right here, that is a star. And it is one of the brightest stars in the sky. You guys need to be here right now because you can see every star in the sky. And it's incredible. Yeah, I've never seen anything like it. It's so dark out here. You can see every star in the sky. You can see, I don't know what they call it. What do they call that? The Milky Way band. You can see that very clearly. So, if you guys ever get a chance to come out here, Moab, Utah, please do. and hopefully you'll get lucky with a clear sky. But anyway, guys, I'm going to call it for tonight. I'll see you tomorrow.